When it comes to finding the best interior designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a top choice. With their impeccable reputation and expertise in the field, SCON Design has established themselves as one of the leading interior design firms in the area. Their commitment to delivering exceptional designs and creating spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional is what sets them apart from the competition. SCON Design India Private Ltd is known for their innovative approach to interior design. They understand that each client has unique needs and preferences, and they work closely with them to create personalized spaces that reflect their individual style. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, SCON Design has the expertise to handle it all. Their team of highly skilled and experienced designers use the latest trends and techniques to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior design firms is their attention to detail and commitment to quality. They strive to exceed their clients' expectations by delivering designs that not only look great but also function well. They understand the importance of creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also practical and comfortable. With their extensive knowledge of materials, finishes, and furnishings, they are able to create spaces that are both beautiful and functional. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered one of the best interior designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore is because of their ability to work within a client's budget. They understand that not everyone has an unlimited budget for their interior design projects, and they are able to provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. They carefully assess the client's requirements and come up with a design plan that fits their budget while still delivering exceptional results. When it comes to finding the best interior designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a top choice. With their innovative designs and impeccable attention to detail, they have established themselves as leaders in the industry. SCON Design is known for their ability to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones, creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interiors that exceed client expectations. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior design firms is their commitment to delivering exceptional quality and customer satisfaction. They understand that each client has unique requirements and preferences, and they work closely with them to create personalized designs that reflect their individual style. Their team of highly skilled and experienced designers are well-versed in the latest trends and techniques, ensuring that every project they undertake is executed with precision and finesse. One of the key factors that make SCON Design the best choice for interior design in Yelahanka is their extensive portfolio of successful projects. They have worked on a wide range of residential and commercial spaces, including apartments, villas, offices, restaurants, and retail stores. Their ability to adapt to different design styles and requirements has earned them a reputation for versatility and creativity. SCON Design also takes pride in their use of high-quality materials and